Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio, presenting up the MCQs from the chapter Skeleton and Locomotion. In this particular segment, I'm going to discuss the MCQs from 21 to 25. Hope you have gone through all the important points on this chapter which have been already uploaded. Question number 21. Bones become fragile in dash. A. Osteoporosis. B. Gout. C. Arthritis. D. None of these. And the correct answer for this question is A. Osteoporosis. Question number 22. What is the approximate number of muscles present in the human body? A. 21. B. 96. C. 1042. D. 640. And the correct answer for this question is 640. Question number 23. Red fibers are the fibers containing high content of dash. A. Myoglobin. B. Globular protein. C. Glycogen. D. Anthocyanin. And the correct option for this question is A. Myoglobin. Myoglobin is a protein that stores maximum of the oxygen. Question number 24. Which one is the longest bone in humans? A. Femur. B. Clavicle. C. Tibia. And D. Ulna. And the correct answer for this question is femur, which is the thigh bone. Question number 25. A motor unit is a motor neuron and a dash. A. The muscles it innervates. B. All the other motor neurons with which it is normally active. C. All the muscle fibers it innervates. D. The parts of the muscle that functionally act as a unit during some movement. And the correct answer for this question is C. All the muscle fibers it innervates. So it reads as a motor unit is a motor neuron along with all the muscle fibers it innervates. Friends, hope the series is helping you. Keep studying with me. Thank you so much.